Hi, I got my trial copy of Home Designer Pro open, and I'm going to try to make a mock-up that's similar to what your photograph shows. Now, the depth is probably 30 feet. I'm just guessing. And nice long house, 8 feet. Okay. There's a split, and there's a second. I got auto roofs on. I can leave those on. That's okay. I can work with that to a degree. It'll get us parked away there. Now let's see your photograph. Yeah. Okay. So need to create a second floor, build a new floor. I'm gonna make a blank. Just ceiling heights at this point are kind of superfluous because I don't know what they are, so I'm not even gonna guess. Now I'm gonna go back over here and just draw in the second floor. Sure, all those line up. Okay, now over here, I'll kind of show you what we've got so far. You go Shift F6. Okay, you can see it is clear with the color off, and we'll switch to vector view. There we go. Now, this, of course, is a set those two walls there to full gable, roof, full gable. And this one, oops, I need to click on the, yeah, roof, full gable. Now, this end of the house is the salt box. Let's see. There we go. And look at that photograph again. So this one starts on the first floor. Obviously, the pitches in your target house, I've got my roof pitches too steep. It's really hard from this angle to tell exactly what the pitches are. I'm just guessing. Look like, yeah, okay, that helps. This ridge comes in. It isn't part of this roof plane. It comes in underneath it. Okay, that helps some. But I don't think over here, yeah, we're not. Let's go 512. Okay. Now I'm going to turn off auto rebuild roofs. Start doing this manually. I'm going to turn off the reference display. I'm not going to answer that phone. They can leave a message. There we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do is delete this roof on the first floor. And I'm going to go to the second floor. Second floor, he said. There we go. And there's obviously rooms over here, and I haven't accommodated them. So I'm going to extend this. Again, I'm totally guessing. Okay, there's a second floor. And yeah, now I'm going to go back over here manually and put a roof here. It looks like these match, and on your target house, they don't match. We'll set that to 18 overhang. I think that's what they're set to. This roof plane has to come in underneath that. Right now, it's collinear. Where's the rotator? There it is. Yeah, they're collinear. So I'm just going to, for this demonstration, I'm going to drop this roof plane using transform replicate, move it down 12 inches. Minus 12. Okay. And this is a different pitch. Currently it's set 5. I'm going to change it to 8. And then we'll join the roofs. That's not too bad. Now, it is not perfect, but it's, and then you put your dormers here, and that's basically how you can do that. Now, if I had the ceiling heights of the second floor and the dimensions of the rooms, and yeah, I could do a better job. Now I'm just going to go over here to build roof skylight. Oh, no, not skylight. Sorry. Build roof. I think it's auto dormer. Yeah, that works. And then you can move those around and resize them and so forth. But that's my mock-up of your roof. And of course, I do this kind of thing all the time, so I make it look easy. I know it's for a person just learning these tools, it's not easy. But that's what I was basically saying in my post, is that this one goes on the first floor. You have to figure out what the pitch is. This goes on the second floor, and then the dormers go in the front. Oh, not that, like that. Obviously, it is just a bunch of guesswork, but you have the floor plan dimensions and the ceiling heights, and so you ought to be able to create something. But auto dormers here should work fine. And it's just a matter of getting the ceiling height on the second floor and this roof pitch set so that its ridge comes in underneath the main ridge of the bigger part of the house. Looks like maybe this comes out. I can't really tell from the photograph. But anyway, I hope this helps you. And whether it does or not, well, have a great day. Thank you.